update. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get girls, basically. I'm very successful in the art of getting girls. What you want to do is invite them over and do basically what I'm doing right now on the screen. Show them this. This is what you do. And if you can't do this, well, that's a skill issue. So basically, you press countries till you get 100%, and if you don't get 100%, you get less than 100%, you're bad, and you do not get the girls. Trust me, I am professional getter of girls. Gainer of a woman, they call me. This is all you do. And then you trust in the process, you get the girls, and then you lock them up in your basement, of course, as everyone does, and then you go online and say you don't get girls, and you repost incel memes. That's all you do. That's how it works. Trust in me. I'm not a good talker while I play games, so I might actually fuck up here. I never fuck up. I never fuck up. I'm professional getter of girls. I gather them, of course. Uh, you can sometimes in the middle of this take a break, look at the other stuff, but you should continue doing this till you have 100%. And it it works if you're trying to get an online girlfriend too. So just hop in VC with a woman, ask her, the usual questions. How is your day? Is your tits bigger than your ass? The usual questions, and then stream this, and basically keep going till you got 100%. See? And it's not that hard. Some people get intimidated because you got here a map, you got this giant thing. It's not that hard. See, and you click Myanmar, you click United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Marshall Islands, obviously. And yeah, this is all you do. You sit there and usually in silence. That's why it's so hard for me because I don't do this in silence. Because I'm not doing it in silence right now. That's why it's so hard. Um, but yeah, I'm going to complete this and then stop the video because fuck you, you're going to watch me complete this or else. Watch time on this video is gonna be like 2 seconds, and then they'll be like, "Oh, this is a joke. This is a joke video." Everyone's going to click off. If you're still watching this and you want to comment, say something about chicken wings. Why not chicken wings? Now they really missed out in this game because they didn't add Palestine, but like these are the 193 United Nations member states. So you know, technically the United Nations missed out here. But yeah, this one. Sometimes I can struggle. It's hard to memorize 193 countries' locations from the top of your head when you don't do anything with it in your day to day, which is which is definitely why you should be training this to get the woman. If it isn't obvious, this video is an entire joke. I'm I'm making a joke here, which I know how it wouldn't be obvious, but it clearly is. And the silences really are the parts where I struggle because I struggle to not talk the entire video, and I feel like people will click off when I go silent. So yeah. You just gotta have some patience in me and trust the process. Get the girls. This works on every girlfriend you want. The goth girls, nerdy girls. Though the nerdy girls you might have to do the 220 countries of the world and not just the United Nations member states. You know, nerdy girls are that little bit of extra work. And the last one, Denmark. That's a new record, 7.12 minutes. I I haven't done that yet. Anyway, so that's how you get the girls. It works every time. Trust me. And have a good day, y'all. I'm I'm gonna make more videos hopefully in the future. See you then.